Hello student, today I discuss about the propagation characteristics of electromagnetic wave in free space. In the free space, consider the electromagnetic phenomena in free space. Generally, the perfect dielectric containing the no charge. It means the rho it is equal to 0 and no conduction, then J it is equal to 0. For this case, the Maxwell equation becomes del dot D equation, it is equal to 0, equation number 1, and del dot B it is equal to 0, equation number 2, and del cross E it is equal to minus del B upon del T, equation number 3, and del cross H it is equal to del D upon del T, equation number 4. Taking the curl of equation number 3 both side, taking the curl of equation number 3 both side, del cross E it is equal to minus del upon del T del cross B. Then we know that also in the free space, equation number 5, free space, rho it is equal to 0, comma J it is equal to 0, and B it is equal to mu naught H, and D it is equal to epsilon naught E. Then in the free space, the D it is equal to epsilon naught E and B it is equal to mu naught H. This value put in this equation, and vector identity also use vector identity del cross H E it is equal to del dot E minus del square E, equation number 6. But we know that also B it is equal to mu naught H and D it is equal to epsilon naught E. These value put in this equation first and second. From first and second, in the first equation, D it is equal to epsilon naught E, then comes del dot E it is equal to 0, and from equation number 2, del dot H it is equal to 0. In this equation, B it is equal to mu naught H, then comes the del dot H it is equal to 0. Equation number 7 and equation number 8. Then which is identity used in this equations? So from equation 5, 6 and 7, which is equation also used in this equation number 5, 6 and 7. तो यहाँ ये क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस 0 माइनस डेल स्क्वायर E, because of that del dot E it is equal to 0, then it becomes 0 minus del square E, it is equal to माइनस अभी देखिए यहाँ B it is equal to mu naught H, तो mu naught H in this put in this equation, then minus mu naught del upon del T, ब्रैकेट में क्या आ जाएगा, डेल क्रॉस एच, डेल क्रॉस एच, इक्वेशन नंबर 8. अब द वैल्यू ऑफ डेल क्रॉस एच फ्रॉम इक्वेशन नंबर 4, इट इज इक्वल टू डेल डी अपॉन डेल टी. तो माइनस डेल स्क्वायर ई इट इज इक्वल टू माइनस म्यू नॉट डेल अपॉन डेल टी फ्रॉम इक्वेशन नंबर 4, ब्रैकेट में डेल डी अपॉन डेल टी, देन बोथ साइड माइनस, देन del square E it is equal to mu naught del upon del T. We know that also D it is equal to epsilon naught E in the free space. D it is equal to epsilon naught E in free space. Then डेल अपॉन डेल टी एप्सिलॉन नॉट ई, तो विच इज कम्स डेल स्क्वायर ई इट इज इक्वल टू म्यू नॉट एप्सिलॉन नॉट डेल स्क्वायर ई अपॉन डेल टी स्क्वायर. इक्वेशन नंबर 9. Equation number 9 represent the electromagnetic wave equation in the free space for electric field. Equation number 9 represent the electromagnetic wave equation in free space for electric field. So equation number 9 also represent the electromagnetic wave equation in free space for the electric field. And to find out the for the magnetic field, for magnetic field, to find the electromagnetic wave equation in free space for the magnetic field, then it is taking the curl of equation number 4, taking the curl of equation number 4 both sides, taking the curl of equation number 4 both sides. both side. Del cross H, it is equal to del upon del T, del cross D. But using the vector identity, del cross H, it is equal to del dot H minus del square H. Then in this equations put the identity del dot H minus del square H, del upon del T, del क्रॉस जो d की जो वैल्यू है d इट इज इक्वल टू इन द फ्री स्पेस एप्सिलॉन नॉट e. देन फ्रॉम इक्वेशन नंबर 8 del dot h it is equal to 0, then which is comes minus del square h it is equal to एप्सिलॉन नॉट del upon del t del cross e, इक्वेशन नंबर 10. अब फ्रॉम इक्वेशन नंबर 3 del cross h it is equal to minus del v upon del t. These value put in this equation. Minus del b upon del t, then minus del square h it is equal to epsilon naught del upon del t, and minus we know that also in free space b it is equal to mu naught h minus del upon del t mu naught h, then which is comes minus del square h it is equal to minus mu naught and epsilon naught del upon del t, and in the bracket del h upon del t. Both side the minus, then del square h it is equal to mu dot epsilon naught del square h upon del t square. Equation number 11. So equation number 11 represent the electromagnetic wave equation in free space for the magnetic field. Equation number 11 represent the electromagnetic wave equation in free space for magnetic field. For magnetic field. So these are the equation number 11 and equation number 9. Both are the electromagnetic wave equation. Equation number 9 and 11 are the vector equation of identical form. This means the E and H satisfy the scalar wave equation. Del square u it is equal to mu naught epsilon naught del square u upon del t square. Equation number 12. This is the simple scalar wave equation. It means the equation number 9 and 10 are the vector equations identical form. It means the E and H satisfy the scalar wave equation. Scalar wave equation is del square U, it is equal to mu naught epsilon naught del square U upon del T square. Equation number 12 is similar to the general wave equation. General wave equation del square U, it is equal to 1 upon C square del square U upon del T square. Equation number 13. Then comparing of equation number comparing of equation number 12 and 13, both equation comparing, then 1 upon C square, it is equal to mu naught epsilon naught. It means the C it is equal to 1 upon under root mu naught epsilon naught. So this equation number 14. Equation number 14 represent the velocity of plane electromagnetic wave in the free space. Equation number 14 represent the velocity of electromagnetic wave in free space. Electromagnetic wave in free space. So equation number 4, we know that also equation number 14 represent the velocity of electromagnetic wave in free space. But we know that also absolute permittivity in free space 8.85 into 10 to की power minus 12 कूलम स्क्वायर पर न्यूटन मीटर स्क्वायर, and absolute permeability in the free space 4 pi into 10 to की power minus 7 न्यूटन सेकेंड स्क्वायर पर कूलम स्क्वायर. So these are the value put in this equation. These value put in the equation number 14. C it is equal to 1 upon under root 4 pi into 10 to की power minus 7 into 8.85 into 10 to की पावर माइनस 10 to the power minus 12. Then we will calculate the value is comes C, it is equal to 2.998 meter per second. So it means the velocity of electromagnetic wave in the free space which is equal to the velocity of light in the free space. Thank you.